morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning, and wow, the crazy rains that came this week really did wash away all of the terrible humidity. But look at the lawn and Farmer John. And today we have to work, but I have to tell you, I woke up at 6 o'clock, my wake up time, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna get out of bed. I woke up naturally, and then I turned over and woke up and it was 8:30. I was tired. We didn't go to sleep until after 1 o'clock again. But you know, Saturdays are work days. It's 11 o'clock now. We've been out here eating breakfast and working on content ideas, and we came back for a walk through the garden, and I just wanted to show you a few things that I think are just really beautiful. Wow, so we can see these flowers from the kitchen window, actually. They're so beautiful, and we are sitting out on the patio having our breakfast, and all we can see are these magical zinnias, and the butterflies love zinnias. Look at this one just opening here, really incredible. And then we have polar bear opening. Polar bear is truly beautiful. Wow. So as I was staring at the magic of the flowers, I realized I was standing in front of my mortgage lifter. And of course, there's these little beautiful Peruvians. Hello, little butterfly. Do you love the Peruvian? Yes, you do. They are so pretty. They have the prettiest colors. And then my eye focused down to not one vine ripened mortgage lifter tomato, but another. Wow. Let's harvest it. I think there's a bunch in there. Let's get them. Oh, let's get them. Farmer John ran off to get my scissors. Look, I'm like in a magical, it's like garden wonderland back here with the butterflies and all of the peppers and the zucchini and the corn. Here comes Farmer John. Check it out, you guys. Look at this beautiful vine ripened mortgage lifter. Oh my goodness. I'm still in my pajamas, by the way. Now there's 3 of them in here, so I'm going to go ahead in and get them. I was not planning on this right now. Oh, look. Thank goodness I didn't have to put the scissors in for this one. I was able to just peel it away. This just makes it all so wonderful. Oh my goodness, these are pristine mortgage lifters. I've been waiting for these tomatoes. These are so gorgeous. Look at the fluting on this. Just gorgeous. Here's another one. Oh, really gorgeous. Wow, what a Saturday morning. These are gifts. Talk about Christmas in July. It's so magical. We don't really have a day off here ever, but it's, you know, if you're going to work for yourself, this is the kind of work that you really want to pour your time into. And I'm back here in a bouquet. I mean, I live in a bouquet in the summer, I'm realizing, and there's no place else I'd rather be. Look at how these beautiful flowers are changing. They've been out here for, some of these flowers are over 2 weeks old now, and these are just so incredible. I know I'm talking endlessly about zinnias, you guys, but they bring you endless amounts of joy. This particular flower here started off in like this type of petal. Wow, Queen Lime Blush. Oh my goodness. But anyway, this is one of the California giants here, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And I can see it from my kitchen sink as I'm working and I look out at my view. How gorgeous. Now, this zinnia here was one that I made as a close-up and several videos ago. It's the same flower. It's not just that it's the same type of flower in another location. This actual zinnia, this particular one, has been living this long. And it started off like that. This is like crazy incredible. I never imagined that, you know, what have I been missing out on for so long, you guys? This senorita has been here for weeks. The same flower, just changing and morphing as the days go. Here's another Queen Lime Blush. Wow. I think this is one of the California giants. Just incredible. So now I have the distraction of the candy floss doing its thing, and we have so many butterflies and bees. Everything is just loving the variety of flowers that are here. The Bright Lights Cosmos, a gift every single day. Now, one of the other varieties of Cosmos did finally open. I expected that this was going to be more yellow. I'm trying to find focus for you here. This was supposed to be yellow with like a white throat, but I think this is called Xanthos. I'll have to look at the pack for you. It's more of a petite Cosmos, but still just really, really beautiful. So things are a little bit out of control right now from the rain, and we definitely do need to prune this back because the Cosmos do sow everywhere. So, but you know, I try not to interfere with what's happening here because we're allowing ourselves to have a little bit of a wild garden. I don't know what kind of bee that is, honestly. We have so many bees. Look, here's what the Cosmos seeds look like, you guys. So if this is your first time growing them, you want to capture them and put them in an envelope. They will live for not just years, but decades. So this is a very rewarding flower. Once you have Bright Lights Cosmos, you will have it forever. So look, bees, butterflies. This is a magic garden, you guys. Now, I don't know if you can see as we look down, the abundance is that all of my giant tomatoes are now getting ripe at the same time. Look at the ox heart. Oh my goodness, that is a perfect tomato in there. These are big. So now my my Abe Lincolns are starting to blush. I can see brandywines from the kitchen window. This is all just really incredible. So look at this, the Jersey Devil, you guys. The Jersey. I cannot wait to cook this. So this, I think I'm going to recommend this. I can tell from its size and texture that this is going to be a very dense and meaty tomato, truly great for paste. So Jersey Devil, you guys, I highly recommend. Got this one from M.I. Gardner. Now there's a gift buried in there. It's a Keystone resistant pepper that ripened on the vine. Wow, let me grab that. Oh, I just spotted a Cosmos, and I thought that it might be the apricot lemonade, but I don't think it is. I think this is one of the other Pink Sensation. It might be one of the seashells, but I'm pretty sure that's Pink Sensation. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this flower. Oh my goodness. Hello, little fairy. What are you doing? You love the zinnias? Garden fairies, you guys. They're real. Cosmos. Do you believe this? I'm in a swarm of them. A flutter. It's amazing. I think this one was just laying eggs. Oh my goodness. Wow, my marigolds are starting to show up. And like a little hidden treasure, I was able to focus on another giant Kellogg's breakfast hiding down there. It's got to be over a pound. There's so many tomatoes, and I'm happy to see that at least one or two of my Park Swappers are hanging on, but I lost at least 3 Park Swappers this year, which is very strange. Every year it seems to be getting more complicated, but they got blight, which they never do. They produced all of their fruit at the bottom, which is becoming common, whereas in the past they would vine and they would take over, and one plant would produce thousands of tomatoes, and I'm not even exaggerating when I say thousands. All right, I'll say hundreds. Hundreds of tomatoes that were giant tomatoes, and they would produce until October. We would pull them green before the first frost, and we would have tomatoes into December. Now, Park Swapper has changed. I think they changed its hybridization, and they somehow merged it with a determinate tomato, so I don't really know. But look, Brandywine Pink. wow, talk about showing up later on. They are right on the vine. It's got a fresh new canopy. It went through its blight stage and it's recovering it on its own, and I didn't have to do a thing to it. Oh, and classic beef. Wow. We had one yesterday. It was really, really incredible. Classic beef, here's a little tip for you. If you're struggling to grow them, you're getting blossom end rot, classic beef really likes a good dose of fertilizer before it goes in. It doesn't like too much pruning, and it likes to ramble. So you can see it's given us all new flowers and blossoms. So hopefully we won't have any more extreme weather. I'm certain we will, but I'm hoping these guys are going to produce into the fall for us. Another angle of the Hungarian hearts. Wow, this is the gift that gives. I'm telling you, Hungarian hearts. Look, it's over 6 feet tall. This is a view, I'm telling you, when you can look up and see that your tomatoes have climbed up over a 6-foot trellis. They're pushing 8 feet. So, and I had a few more Abe Lincolns, but mostly the ones that I did have are harvested and on the counter waiting to ripen. Lots of blossoms though, but Abe Lincoln, I'm not really sure what to think about it. Another angle of classic beef though, you guys. Really showing up this year. So look, my sunflowers have finally reached up over the fence. We're over here. The baby birds are in that cedar right there. I'm trying to stay away from them. One of the babies did vanish, you guys. My heart's a little broken. I can't find it anywhere. So I don't know if it's in there tucked down underneath the 3 larger babies, but it could be. I'm trying not to mess with them too much, but I think that maybe a crow took it, the little tiny runt that I saved. I'm not really sure. But right now this sunflower is much taller than me. It's up over the fence. Look at the glorious leaves. I can't wait to see the head. There's several heads up there all the way up top, but still a mystery. Another chocolate cherry, one of my new favorite flowers. It keeps producing flower after flower. It's starting to get taller now. The bees absolutely love it. It is an interesting flower. It does like move around. Like I said, the heads, tend to turn a little bit. I don't know if it was a fluke that I saw that, or maybe I'm just seeing, I don't know, multiple flowers. Look at the size of this head. Oh wow, you can see the birds were feasting on it. Wonder if I can get any seeds out of there for future flowers. So this area here, as my snapdragons are dying off, it's okay because this is like one of my new favorite places in the garden here in the back corner of the greenhouse garden. This garden does have a name, which I haven't revealed yet. But yeah, the little skipper butterflies really, really love the zinnias here, and I'm loving the combination of the colors of these California giants with the liatris. This is like a pollinator's dream. They are just loving it. So I would encourage this. Look how cool this flower is as it gets its little flower heads, and then it opens up to this like Dr. Seuss flower. I mean, this is just really incredible. Oh, and look, my blue salvia. This was a gift to me from my friend Megan. The flowers are blooming a beautiful bluish purple, and this flower really does get a nice spread to it, so I'm hoping that this is a perennial variety. I have a new color of snapdragon that opened. It is so incredible. I'm going to try to get a better shot of it in the evening. This beautiful pale yellow color with this faded out red to it. It is really just an incredible flower. Gorgeous. I should have been working by now. It's change the sheets day, it's get food ready, it's come out and work on the lawn and the grass and put my boots on, and I get very dirty kind of day. So anyway, you guys, thanks for going on this quick little tour with me. Dusty, the airplanes, girl, you are right. The air pollution, the noise pollution. It really knows how to disturb the peace. Anyway, you guys, goodbye. Thanks for spending the morning with me on this garden tour, you guys. I hope that you find it as beautiful as we do here in our backyard garden. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. By the way, my name is Leigh. Thanks for stopping in. See you in the next video.